Welcome to Aspira. This video was designed to help you get your thin client, dial pad, and headset set up as quickly and as easily as possible. Make sure that you've downloaded and read through the PDF files that were sent to you in your email. These documents will provide even more detail than what this video will cover. We're so excited to have you part of the team here at Aspira. Let's get started. After you've unboxed everything, go ahead and locate the thin client and the thin client stand. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver to install the stand onto the thin client. The first option is a horizontal mount. Lay the thin client on its side and locate the two screw holes. Turn the mount upside down and screw in each side into the side of the thin client. Once this is complete, the thin client can sit safely like this in a horizontal position. The other option is to install the thin client vertically. Turn the thin client upside down and locate the two screw holes. Line up the screw holes and using your Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and screw them in. The thin client is now set up in a vertical position. Next, locate the power supply. The power supply comes in two parts, a brick and a cable. Connect one end of the cable into the other end of the brick. Locate the circular ring on the end of the brick and plug it into your thin client. Then plug the other side into an outlet in your house. Locate the keyboard and the mouse that came in your package. Connect the USB end of the mouse into the USB port on the back of the thin client. Then connect the USB end of the keyboard into the USB port on the thin client. Locate the VGA cable, which is supplied by you, and then match it up with the VGA port on the back of the thin client. It's usually blue. Secure the connection by twisting both of the screws on the back of the cable. In the case your thin client does not have a VGA connection, you are supplied with a display port to VGA adapter, which would plug into one of these two ports. Locate the black Ethernet cable that was included in your package. Plug one end into the Ethernet port on the thin client and the other end into your home modem. Locate the dial pad, phone cable, headset, adapter, and headset that were included in your package. First, grab the end of the headset and connect it to the similar end of the headset adapter. Next, take the other end of the headset adapter, locate the dial pad, and plug it into the side where it's labeled headset. Finally, locate the phone cord that came with your package. Plug one end into the jack on the back of the dial pad labeled TEL or TEL, and the other end into your home phone service port. Your thin client, dial pad, and headset are now connected and ready for training. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're so excited again to have you be a part of the Aspira team.